Hi, I'm Jordan. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the suspension rod on your washer model. The reason you might need to change this part is if your rod is broken or not functioning properly. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a hammer. Before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. Then just turn off your water. So this is our washer model. The first thing we're going to do is use a putty knife and open the tabs on our washer door. Lift the panel holding the 2 tabs at the bottom. With your 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to remove the screws that are holding the hinges. And then we're going to remove the 2 screws that are holding in the back panel. After you remove those 2 screws, we're going to lift up on the panel and unplug everything else. When removing these wires, keep in mind that you place the right cord into the right unit. And this last part is this hose. It should just come right out. So lift up on the top panel. And with your pair of needle nose pliers, we're just going to push in on the tab. And then to disconnect the door switch, we're just going to squeeze the tab in order to remove it. Pull it through. So this is where your suspension rods are located. Keep in mind, this can apply to any of the suspension rods. So then using your hammer, lift up on the tub. Take your hammer. Once you've done that, just pull up the suspension rod out of the metal plate. Pull up your rod. Remove the clip that's holding it from the inside. Take your old rod out. Next, grab your new OEM replacement rod. If you don't have one of these rods already, you can find them on our online store. Take your rod, place it through the cords, and lift it up. And then take the tab you took out before, place it inside, and push it down, just like that. Lift up the tub. Then we're going to place our top panel back onto our unit. Then we're just going to open our door. Then we're going to take our door switch and take it out, flip it around, push it inside until you hear a click. Then we're going to replace back our screws onto the hinge. Then you're going to take your front panel and line up the tabs to the opening on the bottom. Make sure both sides are locked in. Then bring your backsplash back in. Then we're going to take our tube, place it back inside. Then we're going to place back our wires that we took out previously. Then we're going to place it back on top with the tabs, slide them back down. Then we're going to place our screws we took off previously on the back cover. Turn your water back onto your machine. Your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us to create these free videos for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, and share. And if you really like our video, please subscribe down below.